So I might be producing too much milk for my little baby to handle. I eat a lot of oats all day and I eat literally all day. And then I finish off my night with the Milk Mama lactation brownie. I already had one after my dinner. I'm like having to angle my baby where he's sitting because if not, he starts to cough on my milk and then will throw up and get hiccups. I've like angled him more and hasn't done it the past 4 times. So should I express a little bit before? Like I have the Trove thingies. Should I let some out before, then let him have it? Would that help?